Hello everyone, this is going to be a very special video for all of you who are looking forward for joining only Indian Institution of Management by writing the CAT examination. It does not bother to you whether you're going to IIM Amritsar or you're going to IIM Ahmedabad. If you're looking forward to brag a tag of an IIM, this video is going to be helpful for you with respect to understanding what it needs to be done in the paper to ensure that you get at least one IIM call. Alright. So I want all of you to watch this entire video before we begin the discussion. I want all of you to look into the description box to find all the important links and subscribe to the given channel so that you get the notification of all the videos and the webinars that we take on a daily basis. Perfect. Now I'm going to analyze the scorecard of 2019 paper with thorough research of all the students who have got calls from IIMs and the non-IIM colleges. We have understood that okay, on what marks and the sectional score and the total score will assure that a person will get a call from any of the colleges. Now here we have segregated the overall marks and the colleges in various lists. The top bucket, which you can see, is discussing about top 6 IIMs, which is called as a Blackie IIM, ABC, LKI. Next discusses about the next 8 IIMs and colleges like IIT, NIT, and we are here to discuss about the bottom 6 IIMs. We are not discussing about Simsar and Tapni, though you will expect the same cutoff for all the colleges, but yes, we are here to discuss about what it takes to go to the lowest IIM. So if you look at the overall criteria of the top 20 IIMs, I am going to talk about the least cutoff which is required for any of the IIM, that is IIM Nagpur. If you look at the criteria of IIM Nagpur needs only and only 85 percentile plus for anyone who can be considered for the next round of interview. Okay. So if I'm looking at from the perspective of getting an interview call, the minimum percentile that will assure me to get a call from any of the IIM will be 85. On the safer side, to be very upfront, if you're looking for a final convert also, I would say that on a score of 90 percentile, you will get a call and you'll be able to convert also at the same time. So let's consider 90 percentile as a benchmark for the IIM selection, the lowest IIM that we are considering. This could be IIM Vizag or IIM Nagpur or IIM Amritsar. Now we know 90 percentile means we are looking forward for top 10% of the students. Roughly 2.5 lakh people write this examination. So we are looking for 25,000 people who will get at least 90 percentile plus in the CAT examination. The general score, what has been observed for them, is in the range of around 100 to 124. It's a mixture of your accuracy rate and your overall score. But yes, the lowest score that I can consider would be around 90. If you're able to get almost 90 percentage plus of an accuracy, you're surely above 90 percentile in the CAT examination. 100 marks means roughly in each section you're solving around you're solving overall 33 questions, where each question is going to give you a guaranteed 3 marks, which means in each section, if I'm able to do 11 questions right, I can assure myself that okay, at least one of the IIM call is going to be available to me by writing CAT 2020 examination. The score pattern has been remaining stagnant and consistent over the last 3-4 years, so you can consider this as a ballpark figure that yes, this is what I have to look into. For people who are looking for top 6 IIMs, their score have to be in the range of around 150 plus to 160, and surely they will get a call. If you are looking for the mid-level IIMs, including 2 most amazing colleges, which is Kozhikode and Indore, then here a score of 95 percentile plus, which is a score of around 130 marks, will also help you out to clear this examination. Now what it takes, so I have understood how many marks do I have to get. Now tell me that what all topics do I have to focus on, which all questions should I mark in the paper, so that this can assure me at least 10-11 questions right in each section. Now let's discuss the 2019 paper pattern, which means in-depth analysis with respect to the kind of question which has come in the paper. Okay, if you look here, the maximum proposition of questions which comes in math, which had come last year, was arithmetic followed by algebra. Okay, these were the, so let me consider arithmetic and algebra together here, which constitutes almost 47%, and the next important topic which came up was modern math. I repeat, even if you look at the paper pattern of IIM Indore, which came in the year 2013, there also there was a good chunk of questions which came from modern math element. So I want you to focus on arithmetic, algebra and modern math, which will assure you that at least you will be able to solve around 12 to 14 beautiful questions which is coming up in the paper. If you ask me what it takes to clear the verbal section, the only and only thing which we have to work around is reading comprehension. Why not para-jumbled? Because para-jumbled you will be having theta question. It's without written options becomes difficult. But solving one of the 4 questions is always easy because at least one of the question of the para-jumbled is going to be easy. So my focus is going to be only about selecting easy question which are not moderate or difficult level question in the paper. So if you can scan the level of question well, you are able to select the easy and beautiful question which are designed for you. Also, you can consider the kind of question which has come in the reading comprehension. You had 5 question passage and the 4 question passage, which intends to say that if I have to select any of the passage, I will also look into the number of questions which are there. So because spending same time will be able to give me 5 answers, spending same time I will be able to solve only 4 questions. So what is more appropriate, solving 5 questions, right? So I'm going to also focus on the number of questions per passage. And next comes the most challenging section, which is logical reasoning and data interpretation. Now here, if you're looking at 90 percentile, solving one logical reasoning caselet, solving one DI caselet, at least will assure minimum 85 percentile plus in the CAT examination, which means 4 questions are right here, 4 questions are right here, nothing more or less. You get maximum marks from your content verbal, and the least which I can say is score in logical reasoning and DI. If you're able to solve 3 entire puzzles and DI mixed together, you'll be able to get around 92 percentile plus, which means somewhere in the range of 2 to 3 questions I would have to solve. Caselets I'm saying. For this, focus only on calculation and intensive caselets and focus only on the arrangement based puzzles. Okay, which means the most easiest sections will be this. Otherwise, it's going to be very difficult to even comprehend what is logic and what is DI. So, what is the most conventional part will always come in the paper. Focus only on the things which is prominent. Solving this pattern will also help me to get 90 percentile. Okay. Now, I'm here to discuss also about the upcoming MBAP pattern workshops, which is going to schedule in the month of August and it's going to go till December. At the same time, we'll also discuss about a special batch, which is the IIM special batch, which is the admission guaranteed flagship program of MBAP. So people who are interested can listen to this, what we are going to be doing. It's important for people to finish off their basics by the end of July or max to max by 15th of August, because then onwards the heavy focus will go on covering the advanced pattern based questions, the previous questions of the CAT examination and the mock test. Any of us who is a serious applicant of the CAT 2020 examination would have to solve minimum of 15 mocks before we go for the actual D-Day examination. And the schedule that we have made for the workshop is in sync with the proportion of the question which comes from each section. So in August, if you look at the workshop schedule, we'll be focusing on arithmetic workshop, logical reasoning, verbal workshops and DI workshop. These are the CAT replica question on the level of CAT previous year questions. We'll make that right, and we have made, the MBAP mentors have made the questions on their own, and these questions will be solved live with all the students. On 15th of August, there will be an open CAT mock where the students and the faculties will be sharing the same mock, and we'll be discussing the session live with respect to how to pick up a right question, what is the right approach of solving the question. Selection of a question is as important as the selection of the question which are difficult. Every strategic pointers will be discussed, and yes, algebra workshop, advanced LR workshop and number system 1 and 2, which is going to be an important picture for the CAT examination, will cover up in the month of August only. In September, again the advanced LR logical DI workshop will go on. Again on 8th of September, there will be an open mock where faculties and students will share the same mock, and we'll be discussing about what it takes to clear 99.99 percentile in the paper. Special workshops of geometry will be planned here. All the pattern based questions, all the strategic questions which you'll be able to use options along with the question will be discussed here. Yes, many of us will be writing the CAT as well as the non-CAT examination. So there's a speed based paper which is NMIMS. This exam is going to be scheduled in October, so we have incorporated the NMAT workshop schedule also in the month of September only. So all these topics, all these questions will be very much strategic to only and only Nurse Emoji paper. The kind of pattern, the kind of question is exactly in sync what you will be going through in the actual NMIMS paper. Okay, October will be a power packed workshop back on CAT examination. On 8th there will be a live CAT mock again. On 27th October there will be a live CAT mock again, and all the strategic pointers with respect to inequalities, algebraic expression, polynomials, number system geometry, all the advanced workshops will be eased out for you in the most easiest manner. You'll be able to solve the questions. And then in the month of November, there will be a CAT-thon series. These are marathon workshops of arithmetic algebra, reading comprehension, LRDI, and then we'll be also solving the real-time actual questions of last 20 years of CAT paper, of geometry, number system, modern math, verbal ability, and logical reasoning and data interpretation. By November, we'll be able to finish up the entire workshop schedule for the CAT examination and the Narsee Monjee examination. December, we'll be having the first workshop on 1st December for IAFT. Many of us will be also writing the SNAP workshop, so we have also made the content for the symbiosis workshop, which is very special and exclusive with respect to quant, logic, and verbal. Though we say if you study for CAT, all the other exams can be taken care of, it usually doesn't happen, because if you look at strategically, the proportion of question which comes in CAT is different than what comes in Narsee Monjee and symbiosis. So what is very granular, which is very specific to Narsee Monjee and symbiosis, will be covered here. And yes, the bottom part of the slide, as what you can see, 22nd December to 30th December will be having the ZAT workshop. This is what the schedule of MBAP pattern workshop and the strategic pointers will be given to all the students who are writing the CAT 2020 examination. One thing which is very close to my heart is the IIM special batch. This is a flagship program of MBAP, which is the admission guarantee program. Now, this is not open for all, first of all. Now here the objective is we push each student to get in at least one of the IIM call, to a level of extent that people have also got 99.9 plus in the previous CAT 2019 paper, okay, where people have got 160 marks plus out of 300. Clear? The eligibility for anyone to get selected in the IIM special batch is getting 100 marks out of 300. After this, the advanced portion, the strategic pointers and the mentorship sessions will be taken by all the senior stalwarts of the CAT and the NMIMS exam takers. Here, as you can see, the session has been planned. People of MBAP are writing the mock test full-fledgedly, and there are many students, including students from IIT, NIT, and Delhi College of Engineering, and the other non-engineering background students who have started getting 120 plus marks in the MBAP mock test. Special sessions with respect to mock taking strategy, solving quant, LR and verbal faster, solving live 2019, 18, 17, 16 paper along with the faculties and the other previous year pattern workshop questions will be discussed for these students. Yes, the only eligibility is solving or getting 100 marks in the out of 300 of any of the institution, whichever institution are you in. Get me the score, and then you can contact us for checking your eligibility for the IIM special batch. If it is there, then we take up the responsibility of you to get at least one of the IIM call. Perfect. And on this note, I'll take a sign off. To register for the upcoming workshop series, you have to see the description box. In the description box, you will see all the important links. So you can mention your details here so that the team can contact you to help you out with all the admission updates of the same. Alright then, on this note, I'll take a sign off. I wish you all the very best for this upcoming workshop and the CAT 2020 examination. Thank you.